Hi everybody. Welcome to Quantum Data. Today, we're going to go over the biggest software companies in revenue from 2000 to 2019. Make sure to watch until the end, to discover who is the king of software. Enjoy! Software companies are part of the broader computer industry and provide products in one of four categories: programming services, system services, open source, and software as a service. Software companies generate revenue from software licenses, maintenance services, subscription fees, support services, and more. By using cloud technology, a fast-growing area, customers now easily pay a regular subscription fee to immediately access software through the internet on a provider's server. Software companies are also some of the world's top developers of enterprise solutions. Software enables us to do everything from keeping up with the latest news to chatting with our loved ones. Alongside meeting individual consumers' demands, many software companies also provide digital solutions to much larger clients such as businesses and world-famous conglomerates. With such a wide range of customers, just how much money can software companies make? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Quantum Data. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.